Welcome to the sexiest trading channels that you ever need. This is the weekend versions of the market update brought to you by your master, your boss, your leader, 50 Shades of Trade. All right, if it's your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. Always remember to smash the like button, subscribe, and follow my Twitter. And before we start, I'd like to give you some ideas what this channel is about. Number one, let's make money. I make money, you make money by being on the right side. And so that we can provide for our families and our loved one. And second, I study the price actions and I'm gonna provide you with the actionable plans, what I think is most doable in this type of market conditions. All right, another thing is I'm a trader, so bear with me for the quality of my videos for now, but I'll keep them raw and organic until I learn all the tricks and techniques. But for now, we're gonna focus on just purely the price actions of the market and the most important piece, and that's what I'm good at. So during the week, I will mostly focus on the ES, the E-mini futures contract. I already have the chart pull up, but on the weekend, I will go into much more details with you all. So I like to keep it simple during the week and just give you the direct message. So that's why you see I only talk about ES, but believe me, I already did all my homework and all the behind the scenes work. I watched all other YouTubers, what they said about the market and all the other indices and sectors. So I already did all of those, and I'm just giving you a quick update on the ES, and then that should summarize a lot of the ideas just by looking at the ES. I understand there's a lot of other moving pieces, but I like to keep things simple. So during the week, but weekend, today I'm gonna give you a more detailed update. All right, so without further ado, let's get to our weekend video. All right, so what we looking at right now, again, we're gonna start with my favorite, right? You already know. So ES currently Friday, we have a broken trend, okay? All right, broken trend. So is other indices. Well, Dow is kind of behind, seems to be a little stronger than the others. But my speculation is with NASDAQ is actually leading, all the other indices is gonna follow. All right, don't let the current situation fool you and think that okay, because Dow is still kind of strong, so we might pull the market back up. I don't think so. Okay, so oh boy, was my analysis spot on or what? Right? So Friday, as soon as we have this trend line break, as I mentioned on Thursday, right? And that's just triggered a deeper and deeper selling. Okay. This is a 15-minute chart. Now, if you zoom out, I already have the chart plan out for you. Okay, so basically, I connect the dot here and I create a channel, and you can see it does provide the resistance here, and here. Okay, so here you have a little broken out, and then it's normal. Okay, so that's the perfect setup for a short. So once it break back down, and then inside the channel, and then you have a bigger selling. And this area here, I graded out as a rectangle, and this is what I call the balance zone. This is the zone that I would try to avoid either long or short. So for this type of range market, I would try to short above the downs area, like this area. And then down here, I'm not saying that we're gonna buy, but is something that we're gonna watch out for. So now we have like a 1, 2, 3 breakout. So what I would watch would be like a channel, right? Like a channel, I'm probably gonna short this channel, right? So somewhere around here, 33.20 would be a good shorting area. Now, if it's above, obviously we're gonna get out and watch. And then here, if it's going according to my predictions, I think for the next few days, you're gonna go with the inside day, meaning we're not breaking the lows of Friday, we're not breaking the highs of Friday, and keep in mind, we also have a little gap here. So that will be a strong resistance. So for the next few days, I would say we will be struggling to get above and then come back down and then trying to test the resistance again until Thursday. I think we have a multiple, let me clean that up a little bit. A multiple resistance, we're meeting the resistance around this area here, okay? So Thursday, around 33, 36 will be a good resistance, I think, or a little bit above 33.60, this prior uptrend, right? So I would say we probably have a little choppy motions until Thursday. We're gonna get a big move down, if I'm gonna get it my way, right? Or we have this triple touch here of this support. I think this support is not gonna hold, to be honest, but it's gonna provide a little relief for the longs, I think, for Monday and Tuesday. So let's watch this resistance. I would steer clear from going long too aggressively. I still have some long triggers on my watch list just in case the market want to squeeze up to meet this area. Okay, we have some rooms to play to the long side. And then don't forget Thursday, actually a couple of days later, 22nd, we have battery days. We have a couple other news that is coming out. So how are we gonna play this market? Oh, not yet. Let's get to NQ first. Okay, NQ, another thing, same thing, right? So I would, because you know the market structure, everything is pretty similar to each other. All right, so except that you know NQ is a little weaker, so my short candidate would be more focused on the tech side, and obviously it's already under this triple bottom for the NQs. So how am I gonna play this market? All right, so this is how I'm gonna play. Obviously this trend line is already broken. All right. Clear all the drawing. All right, so going back to the March, right? We have a major crash back in March, and how the market bottom, all right? As soon as this trend line broken, all right, market just keep on going up, okay? So now we're riding this uptrend, right? So, and then just keep riding and riding. Guess what? It's now broken again. So just to keep it simple and stupid, all right, we're gonna just draw another trend line here, because obviously don't bet on resuming the bullish trend. I like to see this market as the huge volatility kind of market. So you have this high range and then you have this low range here. So I don't reject the idea of just coming right back down here. Of course, it's not straight down, but as you can see, a short-term downtrend has already been formed. So an easy play is you go with the trend. Trend is your friend, right? So I will lean mostly on the bearish trade, and until this short-term trend is reversed, then we can talk more about going long. I mean, why not, right? So outside of the market-related stocks like the Apple and the Fanman, right? there are still some long opportunities. Like, so I do see other plays that we can still play. All right, so do not just blindly trying to pick the bottom. Now, there was already blood on the street, so could there be more blood? Yeah, just like I said on Thursday, there will be more blood, right? Especially with this short-term downtrend still going. Okay, so now we got the ES and NQ kind of out of the way. You kind of get the idea of what I think the market's gonna go next week. Now, how about another scenario? I mean, is it gonna go straight down? I don't think. There's still a possibility that we're gonna hold this range, just like the GC or gold, right? Look at gold. After the huge crash or pullback, the gold just been consolidating for a month or so, more than a month now, and now we in this triangle, looking for directions. Okay, so I would say it's poised to break out very soon. I don't know based on what, maybe the weak dollars, but watch for the break, and then you can either go short or long with the snapback. Okay, so a breakout and then come back down will be a good long. Like a breakdown, come back down will be a good short, right? So watch for that. That's for gold. Now, what are some of the actionable plan that I have? So make sure you subscribe and go to Twitter, and you will find my plan. I do see that last week we have a lot of junk stock or small cap stock that are just skyrocketing, right? So I see that we probably have some capital rotations going into that sector. So watch out for those momentum stocks. So on my watch list, I did post some small cap stocks. So feel free to check them out. I'm not gonna go over each and every one of them, but I'm gonna go over a few that I think that is looking pretty nice. So BE is looking pretty nice. Energy stocks, oil seems to be going up. So I'm watching for an area or break of 18.48 with good volumes, right? This Friday price actions did tell me that something's about these stocks. I think I like the setup. Right, BE is a good one, and then UAVS I think is also a good one. I watched this multiple trend line break. So I set the alert for about 2.88, above 2.88. Watch for a break of that. All right, INSG, okay, it's the 5G stocks. All right, this particular setup here, I think we already have the trend line break, and then a break above with the good volumes. I think we can retest the high. All right, so I set it at above 1154. Okay, it's just a feel for you to look at. Of course, there's some other stocks that is, we call it this spec, right? There's like the blank check company. They've been just going up and up and up, right? So for example, FMCI, right? What else? KCAC, like KCAC, and now it's consolidating. So I watch those companies. So if you're interested to get a list of this spec, don't afraid to message me, leave a comment below, and I would talk about them for the next video. Okay. All right. So that's it for now. All right. I hope you all have a good weekend, good trading, and good night. Latest, baby.